Everyone knows that universe is full of stars. Trillion upon trillion stars are there. And more than half of them are actually binary stars, two-star system, wherein two stars actually rotate around each other. Nothing new there. Think of it as a tightrope walk, wherein a person is kind of balancing, and walking in the tightrope. This two-star system. Now, take one of the stars in this two-star system and replace it with a black hole. Interesting things starts to happen there. Black holes are, weird regions in the space or weird void in the space wherein nothing can, escape. The size of the black hole is basically the region wherein light cannot escape. The photons that would otherwise have fallen into your eyeballs get sucked into it, and that is why that region is completely dark. So the mass in black hole is so compacted that you can get really close to it. Like, if let's just say you take Earth and compress it and keep compressing it until it becomes the size of a marble, then you've got yourself a black hole of that size. But if you were standing away from this marble at about 6,400 kilometers, you'll be fine. You'll feel exactly the same gravity as you feel on Earth, standing on Earth. The difference between this marble and Earth would be that Earth's mass is fairly spread out, but here it's not that. It is compacted in such a small space. That means that anyone can get very close to it, and different things will happen if you get close to Earth and close to a marble-sized black hole. When you get closer to Earth, closer to the center of the Earth, you'll find yourself being pulled in all directions. But if you get closer to a marble-sized black hole, well, you'll be what is called as spaghettified. You'll be torn into pieces and then sucked right into it. V404 system in Cygni B. This system has a black hole and a star. Now that star, which is near about the size of Sun, is actually too close to the black hole, and that is why all the gas in the star is getting sucked into black hole. It rotates the black hole at near the speed of light, all the gases, and it generates so much energy that scientists have seen X-ray burst from it. The last X-ray burst was seen in 2015. Now, but here's the interesting part. The most interesting part about this black hole and a star system is that the scientists from MIT and Caltech has seen a third star, and that third star is millions and million kilometers away from this system, but still it is the part of that system. Now imagine that person tightrope walking, trying to balance. Now imagine that there is an observer, watching this entire event, but that observer is sitting far off, but still that observer is part of this system. If you compress the mass of Sun to about 20 kilometers wide, you'll have a black hole. But that would not mean that the gravity pull on that 20 kilometers black hole will be greater than what gravity pull Sun is having. Pluto will still be orbiting the Sun at 248 years. But in this system, the black hole, which is about 10 times the solar masses, there's a third star which is orbiting this system, and it is orbiting at 70,000 Earth years. 70,000. So what do you think of this third star orbiting this star from that far? Is it possible? Was it incorrect observation, or what could be the reason behind it? Put your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you next time around. Bye bye.